welcome back to my channel, Chrissy So Pretty. It's your girl Christina. So today's video is actually going to be a review slash installation. So I'm just going to get right into the video. So if you guys watched the end of my last video, which was my vlog, you would have seen that I showed you guys this box, which is my Beauty Forever wig, and I ordered it this week on Cyber Monday, and today is Friday, so it shipped out just like that. So yeah, they have all their little platforms on here. They have Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and YouTube. But let me just tell y'all before I open it that I originally ordered the Body Wave 360 frontal wig. This is a 360 frontal wig. It's just not the Body Wave because they were sold out of the Body Wave, and I wasn't mad, but I was kind of like, what the heck. I really wanted the Body Wave, but they had texted me, which I thought was kind of sweet, and they asked me did I want the straight. So ooh, you just open the box like that. And it's kind of heavy too. Oh, I got 20 inches. The Body Wave was going to be 20 inches, so I asked her, could I get 20 inches in the straight? So here it is. Okay. As you guys can see, I'm not used to doing this. I'm trying. Okay, but it comes with, oh, this is a letter that they include in here. This is so cute. And then they have a return registration form. They have a return registration form. And then on the back it has their policies, the return policy. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, y'all, look, they gave me some lashes and I just put on some new lashes. This is so cute. Oh my god. It says unveils your new stage of better life. It's a little envelope. I guess it was for the card. Anyway, they include an adjustable strap for the wig if you want to apply this. And they put some lashes in here. It's so cute. Oh, and then they gave me an extra wig clip if I want to install that to the wig. But that was it. They gave me a lot of stuff. Okay, so moving forward. Oh, I have to open the wig. Duh. Okay, yeah, so it comes in this bag. It's pretty long. I'm excited. Okay. So yes, it comes in this bag. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god, it looks like a cap, literally. So this is what the 360 frontal looks like. It has a comb in the back here. It has some adjustable strap thingies on both sides. One here, one there. And then it has combs on both sides. Thank God it does not have that stupid comb at the top. Yeah, it doesn't have that comb at the top like this other wig I had. Oh my god, I cannot wait to install. So usually I use Got2b glue to install the wig, but yesterday I bought this Ghost Bond glue because Got2b glued is like a freeze spray gel type of thing because they have like two different kinds. But I am gonna use the freeze spray to apply my wig cap. Yeah, so I realized that the lace glue makes the lace look way better and more realistic. So I'm gonna try to get it to look as realistic as possible. Like I said, this is my first time trying this glue method, so pray for me. But yes, I'm gonna try the wig on. Oh, and I already got baby hair. I don't think my other wig really had baby hair like that. I didn't get the other wig from Beauty Forever though. But oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know. Y'all can't even see it, but it's like right here. These are baby hairs. You see how that fits? OMG, it's gonna be so freaking cute. It's so soft. I'm excited. Okay, let me stop. Let me act like I got some sense. You're not gonna be able to tell me anything, honey. Oh, okay, so yeah, I'm assuming that this is the same density. I'm sorry, my video's been all over the place the past few videos, but I mean, I'm trying. So I think this should be the same density as the Body Wave was gonna be, which was 150% density. That's what I'm assuming, because that's what it kind of feels like. Okay, so look, I'm about to braid my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys my braids, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with the cap. Okay, so I'm just securing my braids in a ponytail, and I'm flipping the ponytail upwards like that, and it's gonna just sit there. Okay, you guys, so some hours later, oh, hold on. Okay, you guys, so some hours later, I installed the wig. I was trying to do an installation on camera, but when I tell y'all that junk is so hard, I don't know how people do it. I did it on my old channel once with the Hair Vivi wig, but this Beauty Forever wig though, I'm so excited. Like, I fucking love this wig. It's so freaking cute. Oh my God. And I think I did a pretty good job of laying my lace. I tried it, y'all. I tried it. It's a little janky on this side, I feel like, because I forgot to put like my foundation and stuff to make it look like my skin color. But I mean, for the most part, it looks realistic in my opinion, especially far away. I tried to do like less baby hair in the front, but it's okay. Like, trial and error, and practice make perfect. So I'm gonna just keep practicing. But this wig is so cute. I freaking love it. I'm sorry, y'all. I really tried to do the installation on camera, but even in my room, my light is more dimmed. Let me show y'all what the light look like in the bathroom. I need to clean the bathroom. Well, this would have been bad too because it's a glare in here. But yeah, it's a glare in this bathroom. So the wig was like $158, and I think it's normally like $2 something. So that was a really good deal for a 360 frontal. I'm gonna be doing this all day. I miss my long hair. Like, I'm so happy. Oh my God. Okay, so yeah, anyway, I'm gonna just end this trial. I'm gonna end this epic fail installation part of the video here. I'm gonna end it here. It turned out cute. Poppy texted me, so I'm about to see what he talking about. We probably might hang out, I don't know. But yes, this wig is cute.